Match the following genes of the lac-operon with their respective products. I gene, repressor, Z gene, B-galactosidase, A gene, trans-acetylase, Y gene, permease. Correct answer, option 2. DNA precipitation out of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with answer, chilled ethanol. The correct sequence of phases of cell cycle is G1, S, G2, M. Correct answer, option 3. Which of the following statements regarding mitochondria is incorrect? Answer, option 1. Enzymes of electron transport are embedded in outer membrane. The frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes was explained by answer, option 2. Alfred Sturtevant. Identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and the confirmatory test for typhoid. Answer, option 3. Salmonella typhi and Vidal test. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 was called answer, option 1. For conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. Variations caused by mutation as proposed by Hugo de Vries are answer, option 1. Random and directionless. Which of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of plant disease? Answer, option 4. Trichoderma. Which of the following immune responses is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? Answer, option 3. Cell-mediated immune response. Cells in the G0 phase. Answer, option 4. Exit the cell cycle. Which of the following is a commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? Answer, option 1. Statin. Which of the following muscular disorders is inherited? Answer, option 1. Muscular dystrophy. Select the correct option. Answer, option 3. There are 7 pairs of vertebrosternal, 3 pairs of vertebrochondral and 2 pairs of vertebral ribs. Which of the following statements is correct? Answer, option 4. Cornea is an external, transparent and a protective proteinaceous covering of the eyeball. Following statement describes the characteristics of the enzyme restriction endonuclease. Identify the incorrect statement. Answer, option 1. The enzyme binds DNA at specific sites and cuts only one of the 2 strands. Phloem in gymnosperms lacks. Answer, option 3. Both sieve tubes and companion cells. Use of an artificial kidney during hemodialysis may result in reduced absorption of calcium ions from gastrointestinal tract and reduced RBC production. Correct answer, option 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Answer, option 2. Infective constituent in viruses is the protein coat. Due to increasing airborne allergens and pollutants, Many people in urban areas are suffering from respiratory disorders cause, causing wheezing due to answer option 1 inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? Answer option 2 genital herpes. How does steroid hormone influence the cellular activities? Answer option 1 binding to DNA and forming a gene hormone complex. Which of the statements given below is not true about formation of annual rings in trees? Answer option 3 annual rings are not prominent in trees of temperate region. What is the direction of movement of sugars in phloem? Answer option 3 bidirectional. The shorter and the longer arms of a submetacentric chromosome are referred to as answer option 1 P arm and Q arm respectively. Which of the following methods is the most suitable for disposal of nuclear waste? Answer option 3 bury the waste within rocks deep below the earth's surface. Match the column 1 with column 2. P wave, depolarization of atria, QRS complex, depolarization of ventricles, T wave, repolarization of ventricles, reduction in the size of T wave, coronary ischemia. Answer option 4. Which of the following statements regarding post-fertilization development in flowering plants is incorrect? Answer option 3 ovules develop into embryo sac. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carl Linnaeus. Answer option 1 Mangifera indica Linn. What is the fate of the male gametes discharged in the synegid? Answer option 3 one fuses with the egg and other fuses with the central cell nuclei. Which of the following features of genetic code does allow bacteria to produce human insulin by recombinant DNA technology? Answer option 2 genetic code is nearly universal. Which of the following pairs of organelles does not contain DNA? Answer option 2 lysosomes and vacuoles. In some plants, the female gamete develops into embryo without fertilization. This phenomena is known as answer option 3 parthenogenesis. Consider the following statements. Coenzyme or metal ion that is tightly bound to enzyme protein is called prosthetic group. A complete catalytic active enzyme with its bound prosthetic group is called apoenzyme. Answer option 2 both A and B are false. Conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. The first irreversible reaction of glycolysis is catalyzed by answer option 1 hexokinase. Which of the following ecological pyramids is generally inverted? Answer option 3 pyramid of biomass in a sea. Consider the following features. Organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, true coelomates with segmentation of body. Select the correct option of animal groups which possess all the above characteristics. Answer option 4 Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata. Which of the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia and is sterile? Answer option 1 Klinefelter's syndrome. Which of the following is the most important cause for animals and plants being driven in extinction? Answer option 4, habitat loss and fragmentation. What triggers activation of protoxin to active Bt toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis in bollworm? Answer option 2, alkaline pH of gut. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. Answer option 1, seminiferous tubules, retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, urethral meatus. Persistent nucleus in the seed is known as perisperm. Match the following structures with their respective locations in organs: crypts of Lieberkühn, small intestine; Glissen's capsule, liver; islets of Langerin, pancreas; Brunner's gland, duodenum. Answer option 2. Which one of the following equipments is essentially required for growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzymes? Answer option 3, bioreactor. Which of the following is true for golden rice? Answer option 4, it is vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. Purines found both in DNA and RNA are? Answer option 1, adenine and guanine. Which of the following protocols did aim for reducing emission of chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere? Answer option 4, Montreal Protocol. Placentation in which ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or in peripheral part is? Answer option 2, parietal. What would be the heart rate of a person if the cardiac output is 5 liter, blood volume in the ventricles at the end of diastole is 100 milliliter, and at the end of ventricular systole is 50 milliliter? Answer option 2, 100 beats per minute. Xylem translocates. Answer option 3, water, mineral salts, some organic nitrogen and hormones.